You won't believe how powerful this strategy actually is. In this video right here, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money day trading, and it's so easy a baby could do it. So sit back, relax, and let's get straight into the video. This strategy was invented by the Trading Strategy Guides, and today I am going to see if it stands up against 100 trades. And I think this is going to make trading a lot easier for you guys. So let's open up TradingView. For this to work, we'll need to add 2 free indicators to our chart and change some settings. Open the Indicators tab and search EMA. This stands for Exponential Moving Average, and we will add this one right here. It doesn't matter which one that we add, we just need to make sure that we can change it to the 20 length EMA, which is what we'll be using on the chart. Next, search ADX and add the TradingView's default one. This stands for Average Directional Index, and we'll use this to spot momentum in the market and trend in price. Both the ADX and DI length should be set to 14, and I've also changed the line to a bright green. For the ADX indicator, we are going to add the 30 level line to the actual indicator itself. Drag a horizontal line into the area and let go to add it. We can then double click on it and change the value to 30. So let's get into how we can use all this to place trades. And for all the people messaging through Instagram for details, the premium indicators from the last video were from FLUX CHARTS. They wanted to sponsor today's video to show you how powerful their premium indicators actually are. I have previously tested them on this channel and had insane results, and for only the price of one takeaway a month, you could gain access to life-changing indicators and an amazing community of other like-minded traders, all the way from beginner to expert, that are making money the same way you want to. So check them out risk-free with the first link down in the description and in the comments section, and seeing exactly how much value they cram into this tiny membership fee. FLUX CHARTS has been very generous to offer you a 20% off if you use code MO at checkout. So please go check them out for yourself. And thank you again to FLUX CHARTS for sponsoring today's video. Step 1 for this strategy is we want to see the cross of the ADX indicator. For a buy, we'll want to see the green ADX line cross above the horizontal 30 level line. Same applies for a sell, but we want to see the ADX line cross below instead. Step 2 for this strategy is simple, but with one extra rule. We want to see price make the first pullback to the 20 EMA line. The extra added rule is that price isn't allowed to cross below, close below for a buy, or above for a sell. If price is moving upward for a buy and price pulls back to the 20 line, it can wick through just as long as the close price stays above. If price closes below, then the rules of the trade are broken and the setup is no longer valid. Step 3 for this strategy, if step 1 and 2 are both valid, then we want to see price come above the high of the candle that pulled back and touched the 20 EMA period. Once the high of that candle is broken, we can then enter our trade. This includes wicks. Once the trade is placed, move your stop loss to the lowest point of the swing. This is where the price touched the 20 Expo Moving Average. And for a buy, it goes below the low, and for a sell, it goes above the high. For our take profit, we want to watch until the high before the pullback is broken, this high right here. Once price breaks this, we can then use the 20 EMA line as our trailing stop loss level. Using this, we'll want to ride the trade up until price closes back through the 20 EMA and breaks it on the 1 hour chart. Using this strategy, you can expect to see massive risk to reward ratios hit with huge profit. Some of the lower trades that have hit have usually been around the 3 risk to reward ratio, with some of the larger trades being 20 plus risk to reward ratio. And just before I show you these amazing results, let me show you a sell trade so you can see the other side of it. This is a sell trade right here. We can see that step 1 played out with the ADX crossing below the 30 level line. Step 2, we can see the pullback to the 20 EMA, but it doesn't close above. Then, when the low of the candle that touches the EMA is broken, we can enter the trade. Stop loss at the highest candle high, and once the low before the pullback is broken, we trail and stop the position to the 20 EMA. This is until price breaks through the EMA line and the trade can be manually closed. Okay, so it's now time to show the results for this strategy. Please check out how I trade below. And this strategy is so good that I might even find a way to merge them both together. But for now, please hit the like and subscribe button and let's get straight into it. We started with $1,000 in capital for trading. If you don't have the funds, this can be achieved through prop firms like FTMO. And we took 100 trades on this account, and with 58 winners and 42 losers, the strategy had a fairly average win rate of 58%. But when we look at the results, you'll be surprised. Even though the win rate was lower, the results are massive with an end balance on the account of $18,252, which equates to a 1,653% gain. The average risk to reward ratio for this strategy was 5.93 RR, and the largest we saw was a massive 23 risk to reward ratio trade. Absolutely insane results. But please go and check this free strategy out for yourself on TradingView and let me know how you get on in the comments below. And if you like free indicators, then check out one of these right here. And I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.